I've been waiting to open this thing since I got home, bro. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna open it on stream, bro. Okay, it's not wheels. Okay, it's not wheels. All right. Oh, damn it. All right, bro. Yeah, we good. Let me make sure my ads are okay. You know what I'm saying? Taywavy pay. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see if I got scammed for $50. Hold on. Let me make sure the bitch on focus. All right. Alright. Yeah. All right. Pre-scam, pre-plastic. Nah, it's definitely gonna be plastic. I don't know. Okay. Oh, my bad. Alright, not that I was in there, bro. But oh my god. Oh my. No goodies, bro. No. Oh my god. Yeah, no goodies, bro. I'm not gonna cap. That's I would say wavy on that one, but bro, the stickers were separate, bro. But he thought he was getting a thank you, no. Hold on. Sex. Oh my god. Oh my god. This needs to go on the V immediately. I mean, honestly, y'all, if I snap it, I'm gonna cry. It's not even that bad. I'm gaslighting myself. But like, oh, look at that chrome. Oh fuck. Oh my. Are you running a play frame without a custom vanity? Yo, soon, bro. Chill, bro. The wolf plate will be coming soon, bro. The wolf. I just don't got the money right now, bro. The wolf plate gonna come soon, bro. But like, I'm running a plate frame with no wheels, bro. Do I even rock this until I got my wheels? Do I rock this until I get my wheels, or do I rock it like right now? Like, I don't know. Yo, this thing is tough. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait till I get my wheels, bro. It says by any means. And it's like, yeah. Yo, I could take a picture and make it into a Roblox plate. Hold on. Yo, method. Hold on. I got y'all, boys. I'm gonna cook up in Blender for y'all. Hold on. Damn, my table dirty as fuck. I'm gonna wait till I get my wheels, and then like, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh shit. Right there. That's good. Oh my god, rah.